The Tiny and Donna Show.
Buenas noches, Zamboanga!
Yes, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ito na naman tayo para sa isang masayang kwentuhan at may halong katatawanan. Dito lamang yan sa
The Tiny
and Donna Show! Perfect! Ayan, napaka-espesyal ng gabing ito, di ba?
Correct,
Miss
Tiny.
Donna, syempre meron tayong very special guest. Makakasama natin mamaya.
Mamaya
Pero
yan talaga, Tiny.
kamusta naman ang buhay-buhay?
Ay, nako. Grabe talaga, Tiny.
Oo. Bumalik na naman tayo sa 8 to 5. Tambuyong yung mga empleyado. Kiora bagat bolbe. Si 8 to 7 ba o si 8 to 5?
Oo, pero mas okay yakal 8 to 5.
Yes.
Oo, no?
Kasi mga empleyado na yung maya trabaho si 5 to 7. Tadurmiya lang.
Oo, chinebes daw, ta esperaya lang L6 to 5 to 7. Oo, kayo na yung maya daw trabaho.
6:30 pa lang talyaya na biometrics. Esperaya lang.
Amo,
Na yung maya work.
amo el kaos sa Tiny. Asibira ulit.
Oo. Pero, syempre, alegre tamin nyo. Most special iugat kasi after 5, pwede pa kita man events. Pwede pa kita man
Correct.
hosting. Si 7, kita man out na yung may kita, dahil por donde.
Oo,
Por eso.
may agad kita events para man ano.
Thank you kat na DILG. Of course, Mayor Olaso kasi yan, Juan yan, request kat si Mayor, di ba? Man, revert kita na original schedule. And with that being said, LSM City Zamboanga man open yan.
Man,
Bes.
open niya na March 20, Tiny.
I heard! Alam mo, pag SM pasabog yan, di ba?
Oo.
So, siya kasi sila very special guest. I heard the one and only pop star.
Pop stars?
Yes,
Sino yan? Si Sarah?
Sarah Giskaya.
Si Sarah Giskaya, galing.
Parang mas maganda kung ang yung guest si Sarah as si Pop Smear. Pop
Bakit
Smear.
man?
May pa Pop Smear si
Oo,
Donna.
galing lang ako Thailand, bes.
Oo, traffic na naman sa case sa Vitaliano Aga niya sa extension, 'di ba? Ano kaya ang nararamdaman ng KCC ngayon? Kasi 'di ba syempre first ever, 'di ba? So lahat ng paraan para magstay ang mga tao sa KCC ginagawa na siguro
Baka happy
nila.
din sila kasi may ano na sila sa kabila, tapos sa kabila din sila.
Yes. So syempre magdidistribute talaga yung mga tao niyan, dalawang biggest malls, 'di ba?
Correct.
Pero happy tayo kasi paangat ng paangat ang ekonomiya ng Zamboanga City, 'di ba?
May bago na tayong newest mall which is the SM City Zamboanga, Tiny.
At balita ko, Mare, mag-open din ang Etas Kusina Bar.
Oo, dyan sa SM yan.
Yes, abangan nyo kami.
Oo.
Nandyan kami sa Etas Kusina Bar. Yes, hello kay Mami Jana Fox and of course kay Sir Jem Macrohon, ang may-ari niyan. Mag-vlog tayo dyan.
Yes, hi, Mami.
Ang dami mga bagong mga brands ang nandito sa bagong SM, di ba? Oo, yung mga wala sa SM Mintro, nandito sila ngayon. Kaya abangan ninyo March 20, kasabayan ng Hari Raya.
Hari Raya pala.
Yes,
Oo.
so our Muslim and brothers and sisters, Eid Mubarak, kanyukatan.
Correct. Eid Mubarak, mga brothers and sisters natin.
Kaya expect nyo na grabe yung tao sa March 20, di ba? Kaya naman na mas marami pa tayong chikahan mamaya, Miss Donna.
Mamaya, may bago tayong guest for tonight.
Correct.
Oo.
Abangan nyo yan. Dito lang yan sa pagbabalik ng
The Tiny
and Donna Show! Perfect.
Tiny and Donna, mga barkada. Tawa, kwentuhan na. The Tiny and Donna Show.
Simula sa tunog hanggang sa kwento, kasama mo, Media Bro.
This is Media Bro, where visions turned into a reality. Media Bro Studios, home of our original series, films,
Bata pa lang to, humpeta, di ba?
and music videos. We can help co-produce your dream vlog, film, or series as well.
Rolling on the river. Woo!
You got it, Dora. Capture the magic of any special occasion with Glimmerscape. Our after movies are more than just recaps. They're cinematic masterpieces that bottle the energy and emotion, making your memories last a lifetime. Broadcast your unforgettable moments with Media Bro Live. We capture and deliver the best of live events. From concerts to esporting matches. Whoa, that's a whole mouthful there. Affordable, professional, memorable. Media Bro. Visit our social media today.
The Tiny and Donna Show.
And we're back, Tiny!
Yes, eto na talaga, Miss Donna. Tayo ay nagbabalik dahil meron tayong very special guest. Siya po ay nirerespeto sa lipunan dito sa ating komunidad dito sa Barangay Tetuan.
And Tiny, controversial po ito.
Controversial. Paano naging trending itong bisita natin?
Alamin mo yan mamaya, Tiny.
Kaya na napaka-excited na nating lahat. Please welcome our very special guest for tonight. Palakpakan for Doc Cap Richard Mariano. Yes, hello Cap. Kamusta naman?
Namira pa lang yung kunyudos niyo ka.
Before
Diba?
anything else, no, Cap,
Yeah.
thank you gayud kasi may largo ka to schedule di Cap for today's video. Pero he's able to be here tonight.
Correct.
Yes, no. Yes.
Actually, in fact, galing pa si Cap ng
Wedding,
Wedding.
Tiny.
Wedding,
Oo.
diba?
Yeah.
Oo,
The Vicente wedding.
Bakigad si Cap. So, cancel agad si Cap. Pero, pwede kita mira kung Cap di noche, di ba? Pwede pa man traffic.
Oo.
Kung ano yung kwento sa likod ng pagka-traffic mo, Cap? Sa,
You have to be on the ground
okay.
for you to formulate solution that is really answerable with the present situation.
So, may mga, magtataas silang kilay. So, kung sa pataas siya akong mga traffic enforcers na barangay, si Etuya Talyatan, man, traffic.
It's not namang everyday.
Okay.
Normally, I get into it on a situation na akal siya na gayod el volume ba? Tasubigat el volume. Then, talya yun. O siya na best abli kung ustedes dos, no? Tan timing lang gayod.
Ansi na.
Tan timing si tabol behayo or siya cover that the incident has happened. That's a time. Taabahayo.
So, meaning to say, Cap, so si Ventrapi kayo, that's the time ta abaha to, yes.
Taliyo taabaha.
Oo.
And then, amo se, te estudyayo. Si example, igual akal road close pa na mga highway, cover the autodiatamentan alternative sila aki kumigo na Tetuan because of there are roads na under repair. So, you have to be flexible as to the
Correct.
schedule. Tapos di kanyo abla, seraan na yung stekidiya para give way while ta sementa pa, tan rehabilitate pa kung na daton mga roads. So, that's the reason why I have to be on the ground. You will not you will not know what's the real situation, the real time if you will not be on the ground.
Correct.
Pero I will not be forever there.
Yes.
Once I can formulate some changes, schedule, policy, that's the time I give order now to the person, staff.
Now, how do you balance your life? Di ba, Cap? Traffic, cover kwan pa chene pa RF Mariano Catering Services.
At the same time, din tame, no?
University of Zamboanga. Barangay Captain pa to. How do you do that? Di ba?
Of course, it's time management. Ablagan niyo kung every time I do speaking engagement, you know my face is not oblong, it's not round, it's square.
Why square?
Because I have 4 equal size to balance my life.
Correct.
1, 2, 3, 4. Academ. As the dean,
Yes.
I manage my faculty, my students. It's about 800 plus. The other side, another on top is the public servant. As a public servant, I have 150 personnel. Then I manage the 29,000 residents plus the boarders, the renters, etc. Umabot sa 34,000.
Sobrang dami.
Yeah.
Pero Tiny, no? Pregunta lang yung kun, Cap, hindi ba tutakan sa Cap? Kami?
Well, of course, there is always time to say, surrender yayo.
Oo.
Bida lang tamin kita. Life. This is my life. But I have to budget. I have to, reserve. I can't saw yayo. Pwede ba? Hindi ako man entertain. Or chene best si akal, chene yo high blood agad or kosa. Sometimes I have to be silent. Sabi sa sila, they will not approach me anymore.
Oh, kasi 'di ba yung sinabi mo nga kanina nag-trending si Cap, lagi bang mainit ang ulo ni Cap? Ben caliente ba cabeza firme di Cap? Kay ben manada ka ko sa taintende ko sa tan.
Oo.
Yeah. Taliga kita kail tayo na tiyempo na or ora tabla to ben high blood agad. If I will be explaining to that incident, hindi lang kasi once, twice, thrice. Ben marada beses
Yes.
na gayon. Duro bakat kabesa? So, ta-disiplina yun. Pero if you will review the words that I've been using there, yablagan nyo, pwede ka mo saka. Pwede ka mo saka ko sa basura, pero revolve ka mo otra vez, pakitsura ka mo yung saka. Hindi kay kalayat. But still, I'm giving them the opportunity. Sabi ba ito, porket kailang trigger kumigo, alya?
Yes,
The residents are keep on texting me, keep on chatting me, Kap, mira to te Kap. Este ba kihinte Kap? Tariganya kami, bayinte pa kunamon. Hi ko naman takre, mas malo ta si kalayatan. And if ta si kalayatan el basura, sabi to, uno apektaw di amon trabaho.
Yes.
If that is properly segregated and properly I can only have 5 to 10 minutes. Si kalayatan, sa kusing nisisita pala.
Yes.
Si Mampala to 30 minutes to. So, tamparalize si other street del di ila assigned ruta.
So hindi lang eli una betcha sa set.
Ay no, hindi get
Many
times.
Kasi
Many
diba,
times yan.
Kasi if you take a look at the video, kasi una best lang, kita tayo magaan sila
Ay,
reaction
no, hindi
di
yun.
Cap, di ba? Dali pa kanila warning or
Correct.
notice pa, di ba?
Yes,
Pero,
that is my procedure.
yes.
First time. Second, I can still talk to you.
And regarding na mga bisinos na kabaablang, tan text kuntigo, tabi sa kuntigo, yeah. Despite, yases sila di la manera, no lang, syempre,
Yeah, correct.
Syempre, abisa ka sila kun Cap, di ba? Kapag no action si Cap, bira tamin kun Cap,
Kung kap tamin. Correct. Di ba? Balance.
So, ansi na
Hablay
gayon.
contigo, on that very day, on that very morning, sila yung mga residente tabla namya, ang sinagat si Kap. Mireto, bueno ka Kap. Been thankful at kami Kap. Kaya binigat to ki, ituyagat ko na sa reganya. And you know now, what is the result? You go to that place.
Naimaya mga basura.
May mga basura.
Perfect.
Tabuta sila ara on time ya. So si Mira to, because of that incident, cause el beneficio kita pwede saka. Ya
Yes.
disiplina kita gente.
That explains also, Miss Donna, no?
Kosa.
Maskin gani kita, example, I'm a parent, no? So si Talawayin albata, di ba? Tariga niya yun. To the point, supla pa yun, di ba?
Ayun.
Kasi disiplina kita kanila. Kasi kung di kita si kanila ang sina, how will they learn about that, di ba?
So, kailangan gat kita disiplina gayot, no? Most especially na mga basura. Kasi nowadays, no? Kay onde-onde lang el otro tabutan. Nung sabi man segregate, onde ba si buta or onde pares de sis.
Siya niya tapon niya ala,
Schedule.
Oo. Amo lang, syempre, kuwi lang, syempre na CCTV. Ben particular kasi gat si Cap Richard na basura, akin na tetuan, di ba? Akal insidente gani, no?
Yes.
Oo, aba sila, siya kasi mga comment ala. Si Rico daw kal mga basurera.
Hindi daw
Hindi daw kita si Cap.
Oo.
Ay, no.
In the first,
No.
In the first place, siya na babasurera Rico. No, itaming gaha, no? So,
No. I am not selective. If I want to educate, maskin kempa to. Maskin talpunano mayor pa to or kento. But if I am on the right position and track, I will really do it.
wrong is wrong.
Wrong is wrong.
Yes.
Right is right. I'll tell you.
Ay, living witness gadyo kasi de barangay tetuan gadyo. Ta pwede gadyo mira el esfuerzo di Cap, no? Tan libot set maskin de noche ya. Tabi siya gat ken ba kasi mga violador ali o donde tabuta. No ay na oral butada del basura, di ba?
Pero Kap, di may question lang, ko sa bagat siya na basura?
Manadagat sa epekto da basura. The latest thing nga pwede kita man-discover yung buta ng basura, bomba.
Ha?
Yan. That was in Waray. Yan, and rescue kami alya. And yung kontra gayod. Yari kanya paganiyo ko na lente, kaya amara lang li di rubber. Nari siyan, kel?
Explode.
Explode.
Buya.
Kung sa pasa, buyag gayod. There are many things.
On
El
the-
ladron,
Yes.
el mga scavengers, el mga pero. Asa si kalayatan. Ito daw, bolbe to de noche, entra to na dito yung
Yes.
road. Bing kalayatan, el basura. Do you feel safe? Do you feel healthy?
Mga pampers ka.
Ay na.
Pero on the other side, di ba? Kung may danger sa basura, may pera din sa basura.
Tama, no?
Amo kasi
9 years sa'yo,
flagship pick up,
kuneste.
diba?
Abla gani sila, kap ko sa dito pasabog, ara na lama-lama. Secret.
Yes. Actually, one of the questions nga na yan, diba? Si Kap Talia said na, kwanto lama-lama festival ya ba tuya pwede man kuha?
As,
Witness
you know,
or
if I will
organize?
really give you the story of Lama-Lama Festival, it is really me who
Wow.
started and originated the name Lama-Lama.
Really ka?
Yeah, okay, I'll tell you. Before Lama-Lama, it is called Noche de Velada.
Kung saan
During
si
the time of Kap Nonong Natividad. Kap Nonong Natividad, I was one of the kagawad already. Then, under this PDC Kap Nonong, yan assume, yan succession si Mayor John Dalipe. So, after that, yakeda yun na council, yakore si Mayor John, yakeda yung number 1 kagawad. Then, I start conceptualizing, ablayo, na council dol, si abla kita Noche de Velada, dol akal kita, tanlamay kita.
Namuerto ka. Kapag Cherry Cup. Arden
Noche de
Luz,
Velada.
oo.
So, I said, kung sa bagay ang original
Pero yung
name,
prinsipya sila, Noche de Velada.
Yung gayon.
Siya kasi mga prondan, Noche de Velada.
si Ponda agad
1-2 years kasi Elias
Oo,
sucede.
Ponda agad 9 days agad before El Fiesta. That's really the concept. Sa ng mga Miss Gay, Mr. and Miss, ang singing contest, dance contest, na ablayo, parang hindi ba, the title doesn't fit to what we're celebrating.
Yes.
No?
So, umalin el title.
Umalin title.
Yes.
In short, so yung gayod, yung propose, just a resolution that we will name it as Lama Lama.
Eto galing
Yeah.
yun say. Wow.
Yung gad say.
Ara lang ka siya sabi, lama-lama
History.
yan. Start si Cap Richard.
Correct. Yung
Really?
tamin tiny, no?
Nga.
Basta ba sabihin nila lama-lama kasi
Yeah.
makilama lang.
That is the first name of Barangay Tetuan. Hindi pala Tetuan. It's Lama Lama.
Really? Sabi ko,
Doon siya na history sa
Yeah,
Correct.
there's an history to that.
so kwanto anyo yung 34 years old yung ara lang yung sabi ng tetuan nyo. Lama-lama ka el first nombre del tetuan ka.
Yeah, that's the first name of the
Pensabayo
barangay.
ka lang talama-lama. Lama lang yun.
But the concept is
As in,
correct.
Yes.
You're calling people to play na Plaza de Anton
participate,
antes or to
oo.
participate, to be part of the governance.
Yes.
Talama. We call. Talama. Amo kat sa
Then
siya.
eventually, no, God's will, takilang syempre, tuta celebrate Lama-Lama Festival. So with that being said, kasi dito yung ara plano, kasi diba parang pasabog. Kasi
Yes.
you have done Lama-Lama for the last 2 years backup, no?
Yeah, see.
So,
This is my third.
Pasabog na yon, di ba? So,
Yes.
ano pang magagawa mo para mas pasabog, mas pabulosa ang Lama-Lama this year, Kap? Kosa to prepara.
The two of you has been part of the first and second.
Yes.
I really appreciate your contribution, no? Aside from the normal mga events, mga ano kita, Dora, I will be missing Dora this year. Ara, pwede ka chabla. Wow. Otro gad si Dora.
Yes.
Because Dora has really big contribution to the success of the Lama-Lama. El pasabog di mio ara, I have to promote Tetuan. More promotion del Tetuan. So, if you remember, pambansang awit di aton, customize ya.
Yes.
Diba? El Tetuan prayer, el prayer, customize ya. So, what will I prepare now? I'll be promoting what we have here in Tetuan through a digital form. Igol ba? Video
Digital
presentation.
presentation.
We have the oldest church. We have the different schools, different hospitals. Amo sa dimi picture ara.
Ala
Para
bar,
siyo,
restaurant.
restaurants, ay sa mga sikat na mga sa T, di
Takiya
Rascaldo,
Toto na Tetuan.
Rascaldo, BSK, di ba?
BSK Lugao.
Taki, ang mga university, and
Yes.
schools, big two public schools, elementary and secondary. So many things to promote. Wherein I have to compile this one into one platform into one view para pwede siya man use as a collateral everywhere I go.
Correct. Kasi-
And every time we have programs and activity in Tetuan.
L.O. kasi tapensa sila. Hindi, STN ka na si Tetuan. Parang,
Correct.
as a part ka na si Tetuan. Di ba siya
Yeah.
naman sina?
Si.
Si Teto de Tetuan, man pensa, ay Tetuan pa kala STN.
Yeah,
So, that video will explain na, di ba, marami talagang mga establishments, marami mga brands, marami mga hospital, todo takiyakap,
Taki, yeah.
di ba?
Yeah.
Actually, one of the richest barangay Tetuan, di ba?
We consider.
So, amo ka lang mga pasabog di
Correct.
ka.
Wait lang,
no?
baka siya na ba artista ka? Kaya ba
I
kita
don't
artist?
believe on national artists.
Ah.
For me, Tiny and Donaher.
We're enough.
Hindi ba? I don't know. Tiny, let me explain
Actually,
why, ha? Why? Para kung si gasta grande amount. And just to have 3 songs? 4 songs?
Yeah, no?
And then,
Sabagay
you accommodate, you accommodation, fare,
Ticket, yes.
everything. And then, a very short time for us to
Yes.
entertain. Why not? What about the local? Now
Correct,
we can have the same quality of
Yes.
entertainment.
Actually, naisip ko na yan kasi nung last 2 photos, nung agad artista.
Noy, nagad
Diba?
siya.
Uno lang, kita lang ang artista. Ano dahil plus si Doran, Diyos ko. Diba?
May-
So, this time, Noy pa rin artista. Pero, kaya talaga preparation, preparable
Yeah, we are conceptualizing the calendar already. Mga sets of activity. Tiyan na tamin yung unong pasabog ara because we'll be having a parang awards night ba?
awards.
Yeah,
night.
parang giving recognition to those who was able to establish good name in Tetuan. Just like mga Artabla to Alabar, mga Cristobal, mga doktor.
Correct,
to.
correct.
Because this is also one information to be educational. Uy, takigali, el former PBA star, si Cristobal.
Yes, mga Ancina facts,
Diba?
no?
Mga billiards, mga sentino,
Correct.
mga sports, business, mucho pa rin.
Manadagat ka.
Data, yeah.
Kapag todo
Taki pa si
sila.
Tiny Cup.
Kapag todo sila China business permit.
Yeah.
Ay, todo si.
Todo si.
Naka-check sa todo.
And then, Tyne, at the end of this event, I really want to come up with a book. History of Tetuan.
Authored by...
Dr. Mariano.
Yes,
Wow.
the one and only.
So, abangan nyo, mga Tetuanos,
I'm
no?
so excited for that book to be
yeah.
launched soon, very soon, no?
Invited ba tayo dyan?
Of course, sa book launch, di ba?
Invited
So-
sa launching.
Correct. Si Cap kasi, di ba, wala kang issue kay Cap about sa mga corruption, walang issue ng mga negative na mga pagnanakaw, wala, 'di ba? So maganda yung yung record ni Cap. So in this coming BSK election, 'di ba, Cap? So of course tatakbo ka pa din ng
Yes, of
kapitan,
course.
'di ba?
Andi.
So but
Might
do you
second
have
term.
plans in running for higher position aside from barangay captain?
You know, at first, sabi mo sa Korea city councilor.
Yeah, before.
Pero nakita pwede gani man
Oo.
na top 8. There are still plans to have that direction. But when I occupy this position, I realized that I will be more productive being as a local chief executive
Correct.
rather than being a lawmaker in the council. The difference between the two, if you will be managing Tetuan, you have your own budget. You have your people, your staff working with you. And you occupy 3 branches. Administrative, executive, legislative, because you preside the session,
Yes.
preparing ordinances and resolution. You are also a mediator, judiciary. So you listen, conflict. You try to solve the conflict and come up with the resolution. So challenging ang
Yes,
trabaho.
really correct.
Kaya why will I go there as a counselor sitting down, receiving salary?
Yes.
If you will become a counselor, your core must be research. You have to know the problem, the root cause, and formulate ordinances. So you have to be researchful. You need to have people who is good in research. May data ka. Porke tiyan e pobre? Porke hindi ta pwede kome? Porke there's so many questions. Statement of the problem. Then you come up with solution and decision.
Yes.
Then that's the time you formulate ordinances.
As much as possible, dapat gani attorney, lawyer, ni ma'am.
Oh, that might be a strength.
Your stay as barangay captain, do you think you have done enough for the barangay or marami ka pang magagawa for the next few years? Marami ka na ba nagawa in terms of mga achievements and everything, mga
Yeah. Still, there is still space pa gayud.
manada
Needs
pa ka to plano
manada
ka?
pa gayud.
What are your bigger plans for
Well, of
Tetuan?
course, my first bigger plan now is the certificate on the seal of local good governance for barangay.
Yeah.
Akal gayud din yun.
SGLG.
LGB kay barangay. LGB.
LGBT.
Diba yun?
Oo. LGBT.
LGB.
Correct.
Oo. So, yun na yun. So, Cap, no, as being the barangay captain, what life lesson you have learned?
Kosa tuyap.
Life lesson, no? Dumucho gayud. I've learned many things. I've learned many things to listen first to the problem. After listen, understand. Understand, then help them look for solution. Kay sisikap lang sintaw, uyi, asesale, may solution. But there are solutions that needs immediate action. There is also solution that will take long term. So dapat amutamin kita da entende.
Correct.
Porque habla tu kap este el problema hasta ara, well, duregat se. And you don't need you need bigger amount for that to solve the problem. So it will take long.
Correct. So si Tasinta to kap, syempre tayo to ng office dito yun, no, na dito ng barangay. Tasinta to ansina, one morning or one afternoon, ta pensa to, alegre gahaal mga bivientes sa
Correct.
Tetuan. Do
That's
you
it.
ask yourself?
Yeah.
Gana?
You know what is my indicator? Is when they get out from my office, they're happy.
Wow.
That's really my indicator.
That's good to know, di ba?
Ma.
Positive.
Okay, there will be nobody gets into the office or the barangay without needs. Akal ba? Hindi na barangay, kay chenyo ko sa nisisita. So everything ta alegrayo se. Even the process of getting certificate, the process of getting ID, barangay ID, todo si kere.
Hands-on
Hands-on
na yun.
gat yun.
Yes, tiny, oo.
Pero
Kapiyaan naman tamin yun
Oh.
na barangay. Yamin naman tamin yun. Very organized kat si
Oo
Cap.
naman, basta si
Oo.
Capri, syempre organized, maski na Fonda organized. And barangay Tetuan ba, Cap, siya na ba pondo para man, kung saan ba siya, renovate, reconstruct, or man transfer?
Yeah.
Siya niya to location or nuevo lugar? donde
Nuevo
planta?
lugar. That was the initiative given to me by Mayor. Yablegatle, Kap, you look for a bigger location for your barangay, Tetuan. Nabli, nakusa mo niya si Kuniste Mayor kay ano yaste, renovated yala, bien bonito.
Bonito
Okay
yan.
lang si Kap. Dali lang to. Kunal SK ba? Or come up with other agency or office that is needed by your barangay. Pero man spot niya to. Kay bonito gat kay asi kita na un lugar contigo, chene to aya disaster building, senior citizens,
Yes,
chene to
kompleto.
akal ba kompleto ya fire,
One-stop
police,
shop.
o boss.
Do boss lang tamin,
Siya tayo
tiny.
process
Basta-
of business permit.
Permit.
Diba?
Yeah, you know
Talya
kasi
todo.
Tetuan is really categorized as one city agani kat eras.
Actually, no.
Actually, correct. Man compared to other municipal na Sibugay na Tetuan is considered to be one of the municipality.
Kiragat mayor si Cap.
Ah!
Municipality.
Mayor.
Soon.
Correct.
Sige.
And as kaya mga kagawads, alya.
Well, if you are working for the common good of everybody and welfare, no ito kontra.
Correct.
That's my baseline.
Trabaha lang.
Trabaha lang kamo.
No,
Whether
personal.
wherever you're party with me, you're on the other side opposition, if we're going to sit together as council, we have common goals. So, porke to kumiyamang kontra?
Correct.
Di ba? Kay di mio, programa, plans and programs is for the people.
For the greater
So, si
good.
Kosa tumang kontra kumigo, it's not me already. You're against the interests and the welfare of the people. So confident yo. That's why smooth the Mio governance na tetuan. Kay you know how it is being structured. Majority from my council are not from my party. It's from the other. But how did I embrace them, everybody? And they work with me together. Because we're working for the common good of the people.
Correct.
Not personal.
Yun ang maganda kay Cap, di ba? Hindi lahat politika.
Yeah.
Correct.
Trabaha gayon.
Trabaho
para
bonamente.
Correct, di ba?
Correct.
So, with that being said, di ba, Cam, mas makikilala pa natin si Cam.
Mamaya.
Alam mo, for the last ilang minutes na tayo nag-usap, ang dami ko natutunan.
Kita man, Mike.
Napakabilis ng oras, Beb. Kaya naman sa pagbabalik ng ating programa, mas makikilala pa natin ang husto. Si
Correct.
Cam. Okay, kaya naman dito lamang yan. Magbabalik muli tayo para sa
The Tiny
and Donna Show!
Tara na, Tiny and Donna, mga barkada. Sikat, tawa, kwentuhan na. The Tiny and Donna Show.
Simula sa tunog hanggang sa kwento, kasama mo, Media Bro.
This is Media Bro, where visions turned into a reality. Media Bro Studios, home of our original series,
Tinuwa niya sa nanay.
films,
Bata pa lang to, humpreta, di ba?
and music videos. We can help co-produce your dream vlog, film, or series as well.
Rolling on the river! Woo!
You got it, Dora. Capture the magic of any special occasion with Glimmerscape. Our after movies are more than just recaps. They're cinematic masterpieces that bottle the energy and emotion, making your memories last a lifetime. Broadcast your unforgettable moments with Media Bro Live. We capture and deliver the best of live events, from concerts to e-sporting matches. Whoa, that's a whole mouthful there. Affordable, professional, memorable. Media Bro. Visit our social media today.
The Tiny and Donna Show.
And tayo ay nagbabalik pa rin dito sa
The Tiny
and Donna Show.
Show.
Kasama pa din natin, of course, Doc Cap Richard Mariano. Kamusta naman, Cap? Ayan, perfect. Alam mo, Miss Easy Girl, Miss Dawn, ano ba talaga pangalan mo, Day? Pap Smear? Ano ba?
Chinito Nuevo, ha? Pop Smear.
Pop Smear.
Look, Donna tayo. Kaya nga, Tiny and Donna. Donna na.
Sige,
Oo.
so kalimutan mo natin si
Easy Girl, oo.
Donna muna tayo. Okay, so, Doc Cap, Richard, meron kaming mga larawan na ipapakita on screen.
Mhm.
Okay, so these are...
Ese mga larawan, ano gatsi, ha?
These are individual.
No, yun si man, ano, ha?
Hala.
Surprise!
Surprise is
Surprise
there.
talaga,
Oo.
Cap. Oo.
So, these are individuals. Of course, kilala mo to, Cap. Yung iba close sa'yo yan. So,
Mhm.
explain mo lang, magbigay ka na ng comment kung ano masasabi mo sa larawan na nakikita mo.
Short comment lang.
Oo.
Short. Okay, so...
ready ka na ba, Cap?
Deal.
Okay, let's begin direct our first photo reveal.
Ay!
Of course, the one and only Madam Eleanor. Okay.
Correct.
She's my one half. I may not be where I am now. It's not because of her. She's my wife.
Nanonood si Madam Eleanor.
Oo.
Hello, Madam Eleanor. Pabordi ba ang
Yeah. Tabi siya agad sa firme ko na status dos.
Oo.
Kita na-enjoy daw gadle.
Yes. Sabi mo
So, one half of my today is my wife.
Yes. That's Madam Eleanor.
The
Oo.
wife of Cap Richard. Okay, next photo direct. Reveal. Oh, our friend.
That's Kagawa Dora.
Kagawa Dora.
Yeah, the person who protected me. And I get the strength from her. Every time I enter into controversy. Controversy akal ba tabanad ya kumigo todo gente. Putting me down, destroying me. Maskin akal last day ya dispidile. Yablagatle, kap. Deja to kumigo. Kaya yo se anad yo. Kaita mirele. I'll tell you frankly, should that de Sambuanga, akal last week before Len expired, kosa-kosa ta si Kunele, kal na basura, pone di sukara, din ta menta, kay ta anda lang daw na barangay, hindi ta na mga session, tasa ka lang daw sweldo. No. The person that can judge Dora is yours truly. And I know how she works. Man inventory to, keng kagawat, siya ng mga ordinance. Si Dora. Activities, si Dora. Kaya man fund or mga events, it's Dora. So, ya dejale legacy kumigo. Ya dejale legacy, and I'm still here following her legacy.
Ang laki ng ambag ni Dora.
Ang
Kagawa
laki.
Dora din sa mga.
Ang laki talaga.
Sa tetuan,
I'll tell you.
diba?
Ang laki. Ako siya niya yung time na, what will I do with this one? Dor, one call lang, Kunele. Sikap. Dor, can you go there? Man, daw kumigo? Kay Chenebes na schedule di Cap. Ano ba? Patong-patong yan.
Correct.
One time, assembly kel, amoy agad kel Elia.
PWD ba to? Oh.
Akel, PWD.
Yes.
Kawaya reganya, ayan pagatli yan, educate pagatli aya. Then in the afternoon, yable kun Amy, boy biale. Kay kansaw ya daw le. Then yan expire that night.
Kaya,
She represents me on that day.
Katahura.
gusto yung si Cup ni.
Siya na pa David si Dora ko ni
Nuay, yun siya na Debe Kunele. Oo.
You know,
We miss you, Dora de Zamboanga.
Dora, I know
Maraming-
she's still with us. Taki lang
Yes.
Tamira, enjoy ko natin. Di ba?
Yes, Cup.
Kaya kasi ko
kagawan,
natin, hoy, basta.
Pwede yan.
Pwede.
yan eh.
Ay, nako. Siguro para hindi at amiga dele suprino, pa akin na mundo. Trabesa agad anay. So,
Trabesa?
hindi kasi
Trabesa Camino.
attach lang yun na kwento di Cap no. Talba si Cap kay akal ba Elia lang imbisti para kun Cap. Diba?
Yeah.
That's very selfless. No?
Yeah, correct.
Parang
Selfless.
Grabe yun, no?
Akal willingly to sacrifice.
Oo, yun lang Cap kasi anad man yun,
Oo.
no?
Yeah.
Oo, di ito si Kumigo. Hindi to anad.
Yeah,
Yung anad.
correct.
Yun lang si kontesta kanila. Grabe yun. Anyway,
Ako dagat chukal pa blackout kel during the time the whole day.
yes.
Kababli ka, pwede anda na barangay hall.
And ang sina Elecap, no, despite close ya boss otros, pero tapi di pa ka telepermiso si Cap.
na.
Anda yun na barangay.
Respeto sagat si Dora. Hindi si tan over kumigo.
Power.
She always get my approval. Masking kosa lang a little things in the barangay. Tan inform gadle kumigo. Kap, I'll be using this room. Kay chene kami cheneki. So I said, yes, sige.
That's respect kayo,
Yeah.
no?
Respect. Respect.
Pati si Dora Bes.
Hello. Mike, si Dora kay Noy Negra. Aki
Uy! Kagawad, we miss you.
Next picture, please. Ay,
That's Kong Celso Lobregat.
former
Oo.
mayor, former congressman.
Yeah.
You have
He's
been very
really my
close.
number one mentor. Every time I have political issues and concern, one call, Celso will answer, and he normally gives me advice. Sometimes, may ponetisyons na kap. Kay yung makiniyo, nagdetamento po sa kosa kumigo tamenta, keste.
So that's how you handle mga bashing. Hindi ito tapon atensyon.
Yeah.
Pero do you read comments of bashers?
If
Nandito yung mga
necessary
post.
lang gayon. If necessary to correct. But if I know that person is always negative to me, for what?
Whatever you do, negative lang
Still,
syempre.
negative
oo.
lang syempre. So, porque pa man kita
Manpatol.
manpatol, dali ko nila ora to answer. Because we know, at the end of the day, hindi lang mga kal syempre accepted daton mga
Parang yan satisfy lang to
Explanation.
kunele. Kaya imbisi pa to kunele.
Kunele.
Dali pa kunele tiyempo.
Puro sa
tan
pan-like lang
matter,
kanyo,
ele.
Chenebes.
Correct. So, ang sinato nito tapon attention ng mga basher.
yung more na.
Pero mga post ni Captain Mirayo, eto katan post, mga dito yung personal, mga accounts.
I am the one.
No kaya to sa ka mga kwan, parang manage ito or man-admin, dito yung
Correct, si Donna.
page.
Iyo man admin. Cover ba?
Hindi kasi,
Kwento.
di ba kasi gano'n naman talaga? Di ba, check kasi sila mga como admin. Kasi post
correct.
ito yung mga activities.
Yeah,
and all.
we were together during the time of Dora, di ba? You always get from my side kay bunito tamin sa dila grupo.
Yes.
Kay before ko sa kami ta sa decision, ano sila kumigo.
Tang
consult. Then when I make the decision, they also.
Final decision agad si Cap ever. Always. Kasi actually, Cap, nakilala ko rin si Donna through Dora. So,
Yes.
kung hindi dahil kay Dora, hindi ko siya nakilala.
Yeah.
Siya palang tunay kong ama.
Loka.
Then, nakakamiss si Dora, no?
Yeah.
Anyways, ako lang, Cap, kaya na yung sabi kay tayo si Taimbisti baga to. Siya naman ba, pag yutamin, as di ba vlog kita, sa Tamira kita fake account. No may man.
Correct.
Dead Maya.
Dead Maya.
Maya.
Pero sa Tamira to real account ka ba, siya na gayod, parang argument ba, siya na tamin, como siya na sila
Imbesti gayon.
O, pwede kita contest naman,
Correct.
correct, di ba?
Correct.
Next picture, naka-third photo na tayo,
Yeah.
Miss Donna.
Oo.
This is the fourth photo.
Ay,
Oh.
Captain Kimmer Adan Olaso.
We call each other amigo.
Amigo.
Amigo sa kami dos. Because we started our political career moving up na LA ako counselor tamin nyo. District 1 District 2. So there are times tan banding kami, tan kwento. Siyempre tala sa kami dos ng Urilia. Tan kwento. And I admire him because he really speaks. Akal ba, prank ka tamin gaya. Ikaw ba kami dos, SL qualities kami dos, chene the same. Na prank ka sita conversa ko sa tutasinti. That's why, see, every time tan react sila kung Kimmer or ano, I said, I know much better about Mayor Olaso.
Yes.
One call, one chat lang kami tamin dos. Especially now in the barangay, ko sa yu chene mga open this line kumigo.
Same ka to us, Teres. Ben hands-on tayo si Mayor.
Hands-on.
Yes.
Essay kami dos, chene in
Correct.
common.
Organize
Hands-on.
namin kayo.
So, kay
okay.
Mayor nanonood ngayon. Oo, Mayor.
Hello, Mayor.
Mayor.
Let's
Oo.
watch.
Trabaho lang to.
Mayor, taki sila Mayor, oh.
Oo, Mayor.
Chene rocket.
Actually. Ay, grabe.
Grabe,
Mucho
no?
pa ka era picture ka. Era picture ni Renz, pati di Gerald.
Gerald,
Di
LGBT.
Gian, pati di
Adsar.
Adsar.
Tali pa era gayon.
There was Teres man mine, el staff di cap ara to
May
do
Maya,
yan, no?
oo.
Oh.
Model gani ka.
Chene yung PW. Oy, si Roxy tamin, no?
Oo,
Si Roxy.
grabe, no? Life is short.
Life
oh.
is short.
Sis, manta ko tigas kuhi ka, fast talk, very fast la.
Very fast lang
Renz
talaga.
or Gerald?
Bot.
Puto lang ka.
Fast talk lang, Cap. Oo.
Renz.
Renz.
Gerald, sorry ka.
Sorry.
Si Ansar o si Gian?
Gian.
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 Sino pa?
Siyempre,
Si Oka.
wala na. Ayun lang, grabe, no? Ang bilis ng oras, Miss
Yan, no?
Donna.
Nakita and feel.
Kulang ka daton oras.
Correct.
Oo.
Actually, 1 hour online show lang ito. So, Cap, thank you very much talaga
Anytime.
for joining
Tiny and
us
Donna.
this evening, no? So, any final message, Cap, to the Tetuanos, of course.
So, 2 years for RF Mariano has been done already. You have seen how I work, how I perform. And I still have plenty of plans this coming 2026. So, pidi lang kacho el cooperation. Because the success of a leader is not purely based on one. It must be a collaborative cooperation from all of us. So, kosa man ustedes tan feel ara, kosa success del barangay Tetuan. Kasi what I say success, yasubiya angat el mga classification del Tetuan. Full disclosure, tapya kita. Nalupon, ya-entre kita ever
Correct.
since no God say, amina tukel, na BCPC, na badak, na ano, tanangat tiyak el Tetuan in terms of performance. So I'm just putting up procedures. I'm just putting up the standard. So if these standards will be placed in all my department, in all the process, it's about time for me to say, thank you. And I will step down because everything is in place already.
Perfect.
Masking Ken el next kumigo, Cheneo, trust and confidence because everything is in place already.
Perfect. Kaya namin kita, no? Your presence is felt and of course, your hard work is seen, di ba?
Seen.
Tapos pwede kita mira trabaho si Cap.
Mhm.
No, I got question, Alya. No, I duda.
No, I
Sin
do
duda,
the correct.
Yes. Trabahador agad si Cap.
Yeah,
Very transparent
thank
na si
you.
Cap, no?
Grabe yung kwento ni Cap. Very inspiring, no? Maradat ako sa aprende.
Manada gayod. Kulang pa ganil 1 hour. Oo.
Anyway, Cap, again, thank you very much from the bottom of our hearts from Tiny and Don. And of course, Barkadahan Avenue by powered by Media Bro by Direct Tenil. Thank you very much.
Muchísimas
for
gracias.
your
It's my
presence,
pleasure.
Cap.
Basta man-invite ko ustedes
Makatouch
kumigo.
ka. One call away, no?
Correct.
Yeah. Pero hindi sila kumigo yung kontak. Ni YP pa.
Actually, conference kami, Cap. Oo.
Actually, busy kasi ito, Cap.
Oo.
So, naimena kami kung tigoman kuan. Thank you very much, Cap. Ha. Again, of course, thank you so much, Cap Richard Mariano. Sa mga nanonood, syempre, of course, abangan nyo sa darating na eleksyon. Wala nang iba. Charing.
Wala nang iba. Oh, ay,
Bawal pala. Premature campaign.
Premature,
Oo,
no?
Bawal ang DILG. Rabia ka natin. Again, thank you so much, Cap Richard Mariano. Magbabalik muli ang
The Tiny
and Donna Show!
Tara na, Tiny at Donna, mga barkada. Sikat, tawa, kwentuhan na. The Tiny and Donna Show.
Simula sa tunog hanggang sa kwento, kasama mo, Media Bro.
This is Media Bro, where visions turned into a reality. Media Bro Studios, home of our original series,
Tinuha niya sa nanay.
films,
Bata pa lang tahon, Peta, di ba?
and music videos. We can help co-produce your dream vlog, film, or series as well.
Rolling on the river! Woo!
You got it, Dora. Capture the magic of any special occasion with Glimmerscape. Our after movies are more than just recaps. They're cinematic masterpieces that bottle the energy and emotion, making your memories last a lifetime. Broadcast your unforgettable moments with Media Bro Live. We capture and deliver the best of live events, from concerts to e-sporting matches. Whoa, that's a whole mouthful there. Affordable, professional, memorable. Media Bro. Visit our social media today.
The Tiny and Donna Show.
Isang gabi na naman ang natapos, isang makabuluhang kwentuhan kasama ang ating very special guest na si Cap Richard Mariano. Kaya naman, Miss Donna.
yes, maraming salamat po sa ating guest for tonight.
Yes, and of
Oo.
course, nagpapasalamat din ako sa Beauty Inc. Aesthetic Clinic. Amang Tinapay, maraming salamat. And of course, kasi ba pala?
Saan pa?
Television ng ulo. Saan ba ka ulo?
Petron.
Loka. Basta Elvidayo. Again, thank you so much. And magkita-kita tayo next week. Abangan nyo kung sino naman ating very special guest na kakulitan at kakwentuhan every Thursday ng gabi.
Correct.
Dito yan sa Barkadahan Avenue powered by Media Bro. This is
Tiny
and Donna Show!
Tara